Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm talking about upgrading your 400 watt wall packs to LED. And you have two options, retrofitting your new fixture. And in the new fixture case, we also have full cutoffs that you can replace a 400 watt metal halide with also. This is a wall pack flood. They also can take a button photocells for the on-off control. This is 120 watt. We also have 150 watt. So it really depends on how much light you want and how high they'll be mounted. From a retrofit standpoint, we'd either use our 100 watt or 120 watt retrofit kit. So you're looking at 15,000 to 18,600 lumens. Basically, with this, you get the kit is mounted inside the fixture. We have a full bracket set that's used, driver, and it provides great light. So again, either option is very viable. It really gets back to what you want to do at your site. So give us a call, tell us what your requirements are, and we'll recommend the right solution for you.